It is at home. I love it. I mean, I was here previously a few days ago, and I'm back again today, and it's like I'm back with my family. I really, really do. I love it. I love the staff. I can't get over the atmosphere since we've had the change within the surgery, the extensions Michael has carried out. I mean, we now have, what, eight dentists within this.
Yes.
And absolutely fantastic.
Well, Pauline, it's always lovely when you come through the door, we know when you're home, and may those times continue, as I know they will be, and you'll keep coming back to us. And again, once again, thank you very much for agreeing to do this and testimonial.
It's not just because I'm doing a testimonial, it's from my heart that I can honestly say, come along, try it.
Lovely.
Fantastic.
Pauline, thank you very much.
You're welcome, thank you.
I happened to be at a bridal exhibition in Newcastle one day and was handed a Bell Bridal North East wedding magazine. In that, your dental practice had a piece on a bride who'd recently had her teeth whitened and talked about the great service that Oliver's had offered her and the success she'd had with it and how it really made her feel a lot more confident on her day. And it was really key that it said in the article that it was something that she wanted for herself on the day, and that was something that I'd really thought about kind of for myself as a gift on the wedding day. So from that I went onto your website and checked out where you were and what you did and saw some really great services that you offered. I rang up and spoke to yourself about that and came in for a consultation. From the beginning, everyone's been fantastic in giving me information on the procedure and everything that was involved in it.
And what would you say to people who were on the verge of, I may want to have a smile makeover carried out? Would you urge them to go ahead and not be frightened?
Yeah, definitely, just go for it. You're in good hands, I would say, by coming to this dental surgery. I mean, Mr. Oliver is absolutely fantastic. You know, you can tell he's sort of well trained, if you like, and knows what he's talking about. He talks to you all the time when you're having it done, makes you, puts you at ease. And it's sort of a nice environment where you're having it done. And really, everybody's really...
It didn't take that long. The treatment, they explained everything to us, fantastic. Basically, it's improved my confidence in actually speaking to people. I deal with customers every day. It's absolutely fantastic.
Did you find the experience pain-free or...?
Yeah, pain-free. Gareth explained everything to us and everything was pain-free. Absolutely brilliant.
That's lovely. So have you had many compliments about your new smile?
Every day. Every day. I deal with customers every day and most times people say fantastic.
Oh, that's lovely. That's lovely. Would you recommend us then to any of your friends or family?
I always recommend all of us. They're fantastic.
Oh,
fantastic.
Thank you, David. I'm glad you're happy with your smile.
Thank you, Dale.
It was excellent. It was very relaxed feeling. I hate going to dentists,
Right.
so it was more like I wouldn't say health spa, but it was very relaxed and I get on well with Michael and everyone, so it was quite nice.
Thanks, Derry. And following your treatment, what impact do you feel has had on your life since you've had the
Loads.
treatment?
Actually, I want to smile like I've got to think about when I smile now, so I do show my teeth out.
Right.
Whereas before I would sometimes shy away from smiling, showing all my teeth. But like even when I do a big smile now, I think, oh, is my teeth all right? And I know that they are now, so it's great. And the fact that they don't stain or anything like that, and it's the prominent teeth in my mouth as well. It's not always on display. It's great.
Brilliant. Thanks, Derry. And would you recommend us to your friends and family?
Definitely.
And after consultation with Mr. Basty, we decided that I could have some Botox on my forehead and some filler around my jawline and around my lip area. So I duly turned up for the appointment. Mr. Basty explained in fine detail exactly what it would involve, what I could expect as the results. I knew exactly what to expect, and I can say it was really, really painless, absolutely painless. But what was fantastic about it was I walked out of that surgery and I had an instant result. I felt 10 years younger. All my friends told me I looked 10 years younger, and I would certainly recommend anyone who wants any lines filled in to actually come to all of us and have it done?
Came to Michael. He was brilliant because what I wanted was probably unrealistic, but he was brilliant in explaining what I needed, what would be effective, and had them done, and they were great. Absolutely loved them, and as I say, that was about 18 years ago. And just recently I had a problem with one of the crowns, which they lasted for absolutely ages, and I'd had some veneers done also about 18 years ago. The crown that I had actually come loose and needed to be replaced, and because I was having it replaced, it made sense at the time because it was vitally, it was at the front of my mouth, it was right at the front. It was probably better to replace the two crowns at the front and consequently the two veneers on either side. So basically that's what I did. Had them done, and during the course of the treatment, it lasted for probably around about four or 5 weeks, I think it was. During the course of that treatment, I sort of noticed I had a little bit of a couple of saggy bits on either side of my nose. So I asked Michael about fillers, just really out of curiosity, what they were, how they were carried out, what was in them, because I was quite concerned about just pumping anything into my body. So he explained what they were, we had a little chat, and I decided to go ahead and have the fillers done. Absolutely love them. They've knocked about 10 years off me. I absolutely love them. I can't even remember what I looked like before.